Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will show you a new add-on to my milling machine. It will be a drop oiler, so something that will give a tick. This is the drop oiler that I want to use. I want to use this because I note that the length from here to here is correct from the height from the head of my milling machine and the table. And it's old because I used in my old Chinese lathe, but now it's arrived the moment to use on my milling machine. I also note that the safety switch work in the normally open. I don't know if you can see here, but when I open and so stop the machine, the switch will be closed. And so if I take out this, of course the machine will run. And this is how the switch works. Here there is a withdrawal where the pin go inside. So my idea is to use the old support, that is this sheet metal bend here and here, and put in this position after have take out the screw and the safer from the front of the milling machine. So I will cut here in this position, and I will put two holes here and here to install the oil drop in this position. This is an M6, and how we say in Italy, the M6 call the 10 screw. So now disassembly. Okay, and this is the withdrawal that I said you before, where the small wheel of the switch go inside. Okay, now there is two M6 screw under the head to disassembly. I don't know how many torque, but enough. Okay, this is one, and after I to the second one. Okay, and this is the other one, okay, with the switch. So now there is two screws to disassemble the switch from the plate. Okay, now is arrived the moment to disassemble the oiler. So we go with the 24, okay, to the plate. Okay, we stay a little on the right to be sure to have the space from the hand mill to cut and close. Now we have 1000 revolution per minute. It will be at this distance, and so in this position too. Okay, now I try to make a distance where to cut the future hole. In this case is 5 millimeters, so it's a round number. It's not 5.1, 6.2, no, it's 5, and it's enough to make an M4 screw. Okay, so the hole is on the 12. Okay, here we go. This time the x-axis is not moving, only the y-axis. Now we disassemble the switch. This is M4. So we go down with a low revolution, sorry. Okay. And we are down, and so reverse. We go to the M5 hole, screw hole that is on the head. Okay. We are ready for the final assembly. For every screw I will put 2 washers passing from the 4 millimeters to 5 millimeters. Here we have the second, so we make also in this case the washer in the center also, and I think that it's okay. So I will put the maximum torque like this. Okay, so with this small tricky, you will not lose your screw anymore. It's impossible. Okay, okay. I put a new Teflon here because the other was very old. The only rule to use when you use Teflon is not to go in the direction of the screw, but in the other direction, because otherwise when you close the Teflon will go out. Okay. And yeah, it seems okay for the distance between this and this. I think that's enough. In the upper part of the oiler there is a valve that is something like this, that is this one, sorry, and it's a spring valve. In this moment it's closed. If you want to open and to go down the oiler, you have to move the valve in this position. So now this is closed. This is to regulate the flux. Here is right chiuso in Italian, that is closed. This is to remember that in this direction, that is also the screw of the clockwise, you close the valve. And to refill, this is this small plate that show an hole, and with the oiler you make something like this, and you can refill from the top the oiler. So it's very easy. We are ready, so we close this, we open the valve, and after we open the second valve that I put by me. This is this one. In this moment I'm open, and this is the drop that are rolling down, and then I want to go there, so you can move and regulate. This is too much, so I have to close enough a little. Okay, here we go. You can see the drop that rolling down before the tool, and this was what I want to do, the drop before the tool. Of course you can open and you have a big flux like this, or you can close like this. I prefer like this because I don't have a very great amount of material to cut. Now it's arrived the moment to paint. I'm very happy with the result, and I feel with some cutting oil. I don't feel like this or like that, because I don't want that the oil will become old, because I don't use 8 hours a day. And so now it's ready for the next cut. And here we have Matti workshop. Matti has a large channel with over 30,000 subscribers. He is located in Australia, and he has a professional machines. Just look at the surface finish of his work to understand it. Always he make new project also for collaboration with external client. So visit his site, which has the link below in the description. So Matty Workshop. It's 2 parts, not problem. Okay, and here we go with Matty. Okay. Yes. And this is Holly Workshop. Holly is located in England, and in Holly's channel you will find projects of all kinds, really well done from my point of view, and with construction, often with drawing to testing. So visit this site, which has the link below in the description. Very nice channel, Holly. Okay, yeah. And this is Holly Workshop. And this is Dreams Team. Dreams Team is a channel of Chris that is located in Germany. And Chris has a channel where he makes locomotives and steam engines. Wow, he has a great skill to work, from my point of view, all type of materials. And so also in a small scale where it became so difficult. So you will enjoy watching his video, of course. And so Chris, now I try to put also your sticker in the best way that I can, and also with my base English. So Dreams Team from Chris. And this is Tom from Hilltop Machine Works. And Hilltop Machine is the channel of Tom from USA. Tom has a workshop of exceptional dimension from my point of view, and not only in terms of size, but also for the variety of machine inside it. So Tom makes very interesting projects, often of important dimension, but space probably do not have any, so really interesting to see what he can do. Then visit his site, which has the link below. So thank you, Tom. And now also I will put you on my desktop, on my board. Here we are. Yes, of course. Wow, thank you, Tom.